G'day everybody, my name is Lowell and welcome to the channel. So we thought we will finish with season 11 of Coke Studio. Apparently there's quite a few songs that we missed that wasn't on the original list. So I have the extra songs on a list, so we'll go through them. So the first one we missed was the Sounds of Kolachi with, I think it's Ilallah. Probably completely butchered that, let me know. But I think it translates to the God. So let's jump in and let's have a look at these ones. I do apologize for missing these ones out originally, but the YouTube list I had under Coke Studio did not have these on there at all. So let's jump in and let's have a listen. Oh, rain stick. They like the rain stick, eh? This is good so far already. Love that.
ये है कहानी मेरे दिल की जो सुनाने चला सबने बताया रास्ता दिखाया फिर भी अंधेरा रहा अल्लाह अल्लाह जग ये कहता रहा मेरा जीना लगा मैं उठा चल दिया मैंने सजदे में गिर के जो दिल को सुना तेरा नाम सुना मैंने इल्लल्लाह
Okay. Change and pace.
इश्क का हो मामला तो लाजिमो मलजूम क्या, इश्क में जो पड़ गए तो हाकिमो महकूम क्या। कुछ हम सुने और कुछ सुनाए, कोई भी पर्दा रह ना जाए। बंद आँखों से तेरे तस्वीर में देखा दिया, तेरे आंचल की महक से रूह का सागर धो दिया। बसे है मंजर है मेरे अंदर, कहीं भी रफ्सा इश्क ज़ाहिर होता है मुझ में एक हंगामा, रोके नहीं जो रुका। जितना मैं ढूंढूं उतना मैं डूबूं, हद से हुआ मावरा। अल्लाहू अल्लाहू जग ये कहता रहा, मेरा जीना लगा मैं उठा चल दिया। मैंने सजदे में गिर के जो दिल को सुना, तेरा नाम सुना मैंने, इल्लल्लाह। जलती अगन को मैं कैसे बुझाऊं, जलती अगन को मैं कैसे बुझाऊं। रात गई मैंने दीप जलाए, भूल भरी पर वो नहीं आए।
Is that an electric sitar? Okay, I've never seen one of them before. Okay. listen to that last little bit again. Good God, that is fantastic. Wow. That is fantastic. Oh my god. Ooh. Uh, why? Why have we never seen an electric sitar before? That was fantastic. That the combination of the drumming, the bass, the choir. Ah, oh, man, that was very good. That was very good. Oh, you know, it starts off with, somebody searching for what is out there, whoever is the creator, whatever religion you adhered by, whatever, we're all searching for something. I'm kind of starts out, you know, going into that big gospel number. The choir is there, they're all singing. The music represents that, and then it changes, and it changes. It's get a little bit more rock and roll, and then this sitar comes out, electric sitar, which is fantastic, and then the drumming goes off the planet, and it's like, what the heck is this? I could listen to this music all the time. It is fantastic. That was fantastic. That was really good. That's one of my favorites of the season. Just that sitar coming out, it just adds a little bit of uniqueness to that heavy guitar sound. Makes it a little bit more unique and just adds a little bit more flavor to it. Oh man, that was very good. I liked it. I liked that. I liked that immensely. Sounds of Kolachi. Oh, great sound. Great sound. Let me know what you guys thought of it. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it, guys. Thank you very much for being here today. If you've not caught up with us, we've done a few seasons already. Make sure you check the Coke Studio playlist. There's plenty there, guys. So in the meantime, make sure you stay safe, and we'll definitely see you in the next reaction video. Did you enjoy that video? Why not watch another one?